Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom nestled between mountains and seas, there lived a wise and gentle king named Alder and his loving queen, Eveline. They had 6 daughters, each one as unique and beautiful as the stars in the sky. The eldest was Aurora, known to the world as Sleeping Beauty, who had once been cursed to sleep for 100 years until true love awakened her. The other 5 princesses were just as enchanting, each blessed with their own gifts and destinies. The second princess, Liana, was as swift as the wind, with hair like spun gold. She could run faster than any horse and loved racing across the kingdom's fields, always chasing the horizon. Her heart was filled with adventure, and she dreamed of seeing the world beyond their kingdom. The third princess, Isla, had a voice so beautiful that the birds would stop singing just to listen to her. She could bring joy and peace to anyone who heard her songs, and her kindness was known throughout the land. The fourth princess, Seraphina, was a master of magic. Her fingers sparkled with energy, and she had the ability to heal the sick, make plants grow, and even control the stars at night. People came from all over the world seeking her help. The fifth princess, Celeste, was quiet and thoughtful, with the ability to understand the language of animals. She could speak with any creature, whether it be a bird, a fish, or a lion. Her gentle nature made her a beloved protector of the forest and all its creatures. The youngest, Rose, was the most curious of all. She loved to read and was always asking questions about the world, magic, and everything in between. She was not only smart but also incredibly brave, ready to face any challenge that came her way. One day, as the 6 sisters gathered in the palace garden, a dark cloud appeared on the horizon. It brought with it a cold wind and the scent of danger. From the cloud emerged a dark sorceress named Morgana, who was furious that her curse on Aurora had been broken years ago. "You have escaped my spell, Sleeping Beauty," Morgana hissed, her eyes glowing with anger. "But I will not let your kingdom or your family live in peace." With a wave of her hand, Morgana cast a terrible curse on the land. The kingdom began to wither, the skies darkened, and a deep sleep threatened to fall over the land once again. But this time, Aurora was not alone. Her sisters stood by her side, determined to protect their kingdom and each other. Liana, with her incredible speed, dashed across the land to gather allies from neighboring kingdoms. Isla sang songs of courage that filled the hearts of the people, lifting their spirits in the dark times. Seraphina used her magic to create protective barriers around the villages and heal the wounded. Celeste called upon the animals of the forest to help find food and shelter for those in need, and Rose, with her wisdom and bravery, searched through ancient texts to find a way to break Morgana's curse. The sisters worked together, their hearts united by love and determination. As Morgana's power grew stronger, so did the bond between the princesses. They knew that only by standing together could they defeat the evil sorceress. In the final battle, Morgana summoned all her dark magic to engulf the kingdom in eternal night. But just as the last shadow began to fall, Aurora stepped forward, her heart glowing with the love she had for her family and her people. "Your darkness has no place here, Morgana," Aurora said, her voice strong and clear. "Love, kindness, and courage will always prevail." With those words, the magic of her sisters combined with her own, creating a powerful light that banished Morgana's darkness forever. The sorceress vanished in a swirl of smoke, and peace returned to the kingdom. The land blossomed once again, and the people rejoiced. The 6 princesses had saved their home, and their bond was stronger than ever. From that day forward, the kingdom thrived under the care of the wise and brave sisters. Aurora ruled with grace and wisdom, while her sisters each found their place in the world, using their gifts to make it a better place. Together, they lived happily ever after, a shining example of love, unity, and courage for generations to come. And so, The tale of Sleeping Beauty and the Five Princesses became a cherished story in the hearts of all who heard it, a reminder that true strength lies not just in magic or power, but in the love we share with those closest to us.